Chewbacca and I shall wait here until you secure a path to the control room. The fewer Wookiees roaming around, the less attention we'll draw from the Empire.
They need to reach higher ground, specifically the control room, just up there.
I was supposed to report to the control room. But this stupid door is on the fritz again. Where's a maintenance droid when you need one? With these buckets on our heads, you get us past the terminal. Guess we get to test out the thermal detonators this suit is packing.
Well, hello there. What can I do for you today?
He says he has found the main controls to the power beam that is holding the ship here.
I must go alone. The Force will be with you. Always.
Princess, she's here?
Princess?
I'm afraid she's scheduled to be terminated.
But we've got to do something.
We'll meet you back at the ship.
Oh, goodness me.
All turbo lifts and primary doors are offline until the rebel intruders are found.
You're our prisoner, and we're taking you to the detention center. Got it? Because we're gonna rescue the princess. That's why. If I bang my head one more time in this helmet, I'm joining the rebellion. I swear. Nothing to see here, just transporting this dirty Wookiee to his cell. Still can't believe those were the droids we were looking for. They were right there. Will you give it a rest? Let's just get our janitorial punishment out of the way. Why did I let them through? Lousy Imperial equipment never works right.
All lift access is prohibited until they are found. Keep searching!
So Vader was all like, "Give me the Death Star plan," and this guy was like, "Oh, we're on a diplomatic mission."
Rebels. They crack me up. Did Vader do the whole lifty up force thing?
Yep.
He's so righteous.
If one more person asks me when they can use the turbo lift again, I'm going to launch them into space! Once all the doors are back online, of course.
Orders from Vader himself. No one is to use the turbo lift until the report...
Finally! Cover me for 2 minutes while I use the refresher. Just keep going on about the intruder.
We gotta find a way of telling all the troopers to stand down. Well, they ain't gonna listen to us. This is never gonna work.
The intruders have been found and are being punished for coming on our moon ship thingy. So everyone can start using the elevators again.
You heard Lord Vader. Let's get these back up and running. The turbo lifts are back on. Let's get to the canteen before they run out of trays again. I can't believe it actually worked. You and me both. Maybe I should be an actor. So this should take us straight to the detention center, right, Chewie? Prisoner transfer from cell block 1138.
Why? Who is he?
He's one mean Wookiee, sir. Real armed bully. You definitely want him locked up.
Have no record of a transfer?
Really? Well, we can let him go and he can pull our arms off if you'd like.
Very well. Hurry up. Open the detention center and get the Wookiee secured.
Look out! Intruders! Attack! He's gonna pull us apart! Go get him! Oh, the humanity! How can we be so foolish? everything's under control. Situation normal.
What happened?
Had a slight weapons malfunction, but everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now, thank you. How are you?
We're sending a squad up.
Negative. We have a reactor leak here now. Give us a few minutes to lock it down. Large leak, very dangerous.
Who is this? What's your operating number?
My number is, 2464, 2464.
2464? That's my operating number.
Are you pulling my leg, pal? You some kind of spy or some kind of rebel infiltrator? I want to report you to.
No. I assure you, I'm no rebel spy.
Well, I don't believe you.
I'll ask you one last time, pal. What is your name and number?
You're through to housekeeping. You need new towels?
What's going on? Look.
Aren't you a little short for a stormtrooper?
I'm Luke Skywalker. I'm here to rescue you. Hey, come on!
Can't get out that way.
This is some rescue. Into the garbage chute, flyboy.
Get in there, you big furry hoe! I don't care what you smell! What an incredible smell you've discovered! Ooh.
It could be worse.
It's worse.
3PO! Come in, 3PO!
3PO! Where could he be?
Look out! What is that thing?
Its eye! Hit it in the eye!
I didn't sign up for this!
One thing's for sure, we're all gonna be a lot thinner.
Look out, the walls are moving in again. What's he doing? Hey, everyone, look out!
It's getting even worse! The walls are coming in again!
3PO! Will you shut off all the garbage smashers on the detention level? Do you copy?
Hey, there's people down here, you know!
We have to stop these walls.
Where are they? Comlink? Oh my! I turned it off. Curse my metal body, my poor master.
3PO, we're all right! Hey, open the pressure maintenance hatch on unit number 3263827!
Oh, thank the stars on me! Wait for me!
Seen that new VT-16?
Yeah.
I'm sorry to bother you, he just...
What was that?
Nah, it's nothing.
Maybe it's another drill.
Come, my friends, must be swift and silent.
Well, I...
He made a good blend. What is it, my little friend?
He says the tractor beam controls are just up ahead, but we will need to bypass some security to get there. Superb. The tractor beam controls are this way.
I mustn't be seen. My Jedi skills should be of assistance here.
What was that?
A presence I have not felt since... No, that wasn't it. Yes, that's... No, I don't know. Aha! I've been waiting for you, Obi-Wan. We meet again, at last. The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
There she is.
You came in that thing? You're braver than I thought.
Nice. Come on.
It's them! Blast them!
Get back to the ship! The Falcon has to be around here somewhere.
Get open! Come on! I'm trying! Just stop yelling at me!
I'm allergic to Wookiees! Deal with them, troopers! You'll get it over. Keep your hair on.
I thought they might have run out of stormtroopers.
I've got it. Come on, Chewie. Let's go.
Dave so much as laid a finger on the Falcon, I'll bring down the Empire myself.
Han, you copy? We can't get this door open. We're gonna need your help.
Copy that, kid. Hold on. Imperial tech is always so overcomplicated. Let's just smash it. This'll get the door open, somehow.
Remember, no princess, no reward, so be careful.
Troopers, stop them at once!
Halt! Prepare to be eliminated. The princess! Don't let her escape!
How about this rescue, huh? Not bad, right?
Well, we're still alive, so it's going better than I expected.
Perfect. We need an Imperial key card to get through.
You'll never escape, and you'll never get this key card! Ha 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 ha!
How are we going to get those force fields down?
The console! We were able to use them earlier when we were dressed as stormtroopers.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! I think we took a wrong turn.
There's no lock. They're gonna get through.
Over there! You're not getting away that easy.
Good luck.
Ben?
powers are weak, old man.
If you strike me down, I shall become more powerful than you can possibly imagine. Run, Luke, run!
Not a bad bit of rescuing, huh?
At least the information in R2 is still intact. It's not over yet. We need to get this information to the rebel base on Yavin 4 now.
And what information is that exactly?
The technical readouts of that.